how to use the Eenee hybrid nappy pant. This can be used with either our super absorbent reusable cloth insert or our commercially compostable up pad. So the great thing about these pants is they do fasten to the front or the back, completely up to you what you prefer. Open them up. Today we're using the cloth insert. Take the ends, put them into the pocket that's at each end of the pant. Push them in. The inner pouch, just make sure that's sitting inside the waterproof sling so that you can see that extra layer of containment. And then once loaded, lift up your bub's bottom, slide them under, just pull them up nice and snug between the legs. Grab your Velcro, adjust that to give you a nice snug fit. They're so soft and stretchy, they're going to be nice and comfy. Make sure your legs are out and you're good to go. Once your hybrid nappy pant is due for a wash or it's been soiled, so just take it off like a normal nappy, take out the dirty pad, and just before putting them in the wash, just fold the Velcros back over on themselves. That'll look after your pants and it'll also stop anything else in the washing machine getting caught on the Velcro. Easy done.